Question number 20. What is the effective annual rate, EAR, of 9% compounded quarterly? It's similar to the prior question. The prior question is compounded semi-annually. So here, MPRI should be, how many times is compounded a year? Should be 4 here. The APR is a question mark. The EAR is, oh no, EAR is a question mark. The APR should be 9%. 9%. So the answer should be 9.31%. Remember, EAR should always be higher or equal at least to APR. So EAR is 9.31%. Let me show you the math equation. You can, to do the Excel, you go to use the effect function, C equals to effect. You can find this command, go to formula, financial, you can find the command box. Or 9% as for the nominal interest rate and 4 times a year, so 9.31%. To do that mathematically, so we know EAR should equals to 1 plus APR divided by n with the power of n minus 1. So EAR should equals to 1 plus 9% divided by 4 with power 4 minus 1. So this is the math equation. Question number 21. Okay, Fancy Interiors offers credit to customers at a rate of 1.65% per month. So this is monthly interest rate. What is the EAR of this credit card? So this is credit card rate. Credit card, we know it's compounded on a monthly basis, so MPRI should be 12 because it's compounded 12 times a year. So APR is not given directly, but it's given the monthly interest rate, 1.65% monthly interest rate. So we should use 1.65%. This is monthly interest rate multiplied by 12. This will give us APR. It's just like the first month's interest rate is 1.65%. The second month is the same, 1.65%. We add them up, 1.65% plus another at 12 times. It just equals to this 1.65% multiplied by 12. That's APR. APR is just like you add up each month's interest rate. That's your annual interest rate. But EAR is considering like the interest rate, considering it's compounded. The interest rate on a monthly basis, it's compounded on a monthly basis. And then in the whole year, how much is the actual return you're getting? That's called EAR. So it's different. APR is add them up. EAR is compounded. It's multiplied by like, if I write the equation here, EAR should be how much? EAR should be 1 plus 1.65%. Compounded how many times in a year? 12. Subtract 1. That's EAR. So you see the difference between EAR and APR. Okay, so or we can use the effect function, which is and then now APR 1.65% multiplied by 12. This is if we use the APR syntax, effect syntax, and that is our input to get the answer of 12.70% in Excel. You type in this command in Excel, but this is a math equation to get it. So EAR is compounding at 1.65% a month for 12 times in a year to get the EAR. APR just simply add them up, 1.65%, add them 12 times, and then that's APR. So it's 21. 22, what is the effective annual rate? Compounded daily. So it's still asking you for EAR. APR is given, which is 12.75%. And another input you need is MPRI, which is 365. Let's use 365 days, compounded daily. Or mathematically, EAR should equals to, in Excel, we should use the fact function 12.75%, 365. Or using math, 1 plus 12.75% divided by 365 and multiply with the power of 365 and subtract 1. That will give us the EAR. That's question number 22. Question number 23. Your grandparents loan you money at 0.5% interest per month. Of course, 0.5% a month, so you add 0.5% 12 times. That give you APR. So, or you use 0.5% multiplied by 12. That will be the APR, which is 6%. Or 6.5% multiplied by 12, which is 6%. That's APR. Then how much is EAR? You can use, 0.5% multiplied by 12. That's the APR. 12 times. How much is EAR? We use effect. And to get the APR, to get the EAR this way. Or mathematically, 12 times subtract 1, that will give us the EAR. So you see, the interest rate is 0.5%. 12 times in a year, that will give us the EAR. The last question for this homework, question number 24. 3 years ago, you took out a loan of $9,000. Over those 3 years, you pay equal monthly payment totaling $11,826. What was the APR on this loan? So this is the question asking you how much is the APR. Since this is the monthly payment, you know that APR just equals to monthly payment, monthly rate multiplied by 12. That will be your APR, right? So nothing else is given here. So you should just like what we have done before. Okay, how much is the rate? We don't know. How much is N? N should be, this is a 3 year, but however, 3 multiplied by 12, 36 months. Monthly payment, 11826. This is the payment. And no, you make equal monthly payment totaling that much. So we should use this number. Since we made 36 payment, so we should divide that number by 36. That's our payment. And the next question is, the next one is PV. The loan is $9,000. We should add the negative sign in the front. Future value, the ending balance is 0 here. So the question is asking for how much is the rate. Once we got this rate and use this rate multiplied by 12, that's the APR. Right? So APR should equal to, we use the rate function. Right? So the first input, this second input is the monthly payment. And negative 9,000. So, and when we got this, and don't forget to multiply by 12, that will be the APR. So what we got here is just the rate in a month, and multiply by 12. That will give us the rate in a year. So let's see how much is it. It should give us 18.69%. Yeah, 18.69%. Well, that's all for the homework. I hope like you got some help from the tutoring from me. And if you have any questions, you can reach me by sending me a message at my email. Is mfoley3@ju.edu, or go to jufinance.com. You can find my contact information over here. This is my jufinance.com. You can find my office number, my office hour, and my email here. Alright, if you click on, if you go to this website and you go to class archives, and you see there are Fin 500 and in the prior semesters, and you may get some help from this website. That's all for the recording for chapter 1, chapter 5, and chapter 6 homework, and I'll continue making more videos for more chapters. Thank you for watching.